As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Okay, so we're comparing the Weber Q1000 and the Weber Spirit 2 E-310, both gas grills. First thing I notice is the price difference. The Q1000 is around $229, while the Spirit 2 E-310 is significantly more expensive, around $569.
Yeah, that's a huge jump. What are we getting for that extra money?
Well, the Spirit 2 is a full-sized grill. It has 3 burners, giving you 529 square inches of cooking space. The Q1000 is much smaller, only 189 square inches with a single burner. Think of it as a portable grill.
Ah, so the Q1000 is more for tailgating or a small balcony, while the Spirit 2 is for a proper backyard barbecue. Makes sense. What about the heat output?
The Q1000 puts out 8,500 BTU per hour. The Spirit 2 doesn't explicitly state its BTU, but with 3 burners and a larger cooking area, it's definitely putting out more heat overall. It runs on natural gas, by the way, while the Q1000 uses those disposable propane cylinders.
Natural gas. That's a game changer. No more running out of propane mid-cook. But you need a natural gas line, right?
Exactly. If you don't have a natural gas hookup on your patio, the Spirit 2 isn't an option. The Q1000 is simpler in that regard. Grab a propane cylinder and you're good to go.
Okay, so Q1000 is convenient and portable. Spirit 2 is powerful and needs a gas line. What about the build quality?
Both are Webers, so expect good quality. The Q1000 has porcelain enameled cast iron grates and a cast aluminum lid and body. The Spirit 2 has porcelain enameled cast iron cooking grates too, and Weber gives it a 10-year warranty.
And what about features?
The Spirit 2 has things like an open cart design with tool hooks and a built-in lid thermometer. The Q1000 is more basic, but it does have push-button ignition. The Spirit 2 boasts what Weber calls the GS4 grilling system, designed for improved ignition and grease management.
So it really comes down to size, fuel source, and budget, doesn't it? If you need portability and don't want to mess with a gas line, the Q1000 is great. If you want a full-sized grill and have natural gas available, the Spirit 2 is a solid choice.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.